Hi, and welcome to Seasparkles Corner. And
Triple bag laundry cart.
David's doing a triple bag laundry cart for our, I bought dinner towels, somewhere here.
Well, this is basically going to replace your 2 bad laundry bags as well.
So, David is about to assemble it and enjoy.
Yeah, I just ain't had time to get to it till now.
Maybe Doris will record this so I can take a headache pill. I've got a headache.
Well, she's right now getting the little kitties water taken care of so that she don't go thirsty. She's got to have important water because she's important.
Where's the boy?
I'm guessing he's probably hiding under a blanket somewhere.
I think he followed Doris.
He's in the what? All right.
This is part 1. We'll see part 2 in a little bit.